Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video, and today I got a package in the mail yesterday. I was going to make a video on it, but I decided to just open it and see if everything was okay. And it is. I picked up a Spec-D performance exhaust for the Civic. So, this is a catback exhaust. Yeah, I got it. It was like $200, which is, it's cheap. So hopefully it sounds good. I've seen these; they do sound okay. It came with like a silencer in there, but I took that shit out because I don't need a silencer. So yeah, let's get that all unpackaged, and I'll show you the whole setup. Alright guys, so this is our full exhaust here. So I can't wait to put it on. I mean, the welds seem amazing. Like, the welds seem awesome. Like, very good weld jobs. Everything seems very good quality for the price I got. I mean, if you guys are looking for a budget exhaust, I would definitely suggest this for the quality that I got. It's lightweight, very light. It's just so far so good. We're gonna put this baby on. Not right now, not today, but we're gonna put it on a separate video. Yeah. So what I think is gonna happen Wednesday or Thursday, I'm going to put on all of these parts in one day. It's gonna be a challenge. So suspension. I gotta go to the shop, and they have to put the top hats on for me because I don't have a spring compressor, and I'm not gonna mess with it. So they're not putting it on the car. They're just gonna compress it and put the top hat on, and then we're going to install it. We're gonna install the exhaust. All right, we're gonna install the exhaust. We're gonna install the wheels. We're gonna install the coilovers, and that's it, because that's all I got. So we're going to install all those Wednesday or Thursday. It's going to be a long job, but it's going to be worth it. Oh yeah, look, here's that silencer. Like, this is what you like put this inside. So like, look. So obviously these screws come off, but I'm not taking those off right now. So you just put it on in there, and it goes all the way in without the screws, and it silences it. So get that on out of here, because we are never going to use that. Alright guys, so that's all I got for you today, unfortunately. Just a quick little video to show you that I got a Spec-D exhaust in today. I'm trying to remember if I didn't show you guys any other parts that I got. I know the air intake I didn't show you, but I know you already saw it in the vehicle, so I'm just trying to think. Yeah, no, that's all we got today, guys. So Spec-D exhaust, Wednesday or Thursday, be ready for a long video, because we're going to install the wheels, we're going to install the coilovers, and we're going to install that exhaust. So it's going to be a long video, and it's going to be so worth it because the car is going to look awesome. Oh, that's what I was forgetting. We're also going to have to roll the rear fenders, and I'll show you why. So you can already see the lip. Like, that's a big lip right there. Like, look at that. So you have to roll that on in there, tuck it, because those wheels are not going to fit without a wheel, without doing that. So, alright guys, I forgot to film an outro, so make sure you hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and share, and make sure you go down in the description and subscribe to Woodlands Crew, because we'll be doing installation videos on there as well. Alright guys, I'll catch you next time. Peace.